Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video, I am very excited because I did receive my Allure beauty box for the month of May, and I'm excited to get into what I got. Now I'm aware that this month was not as good as last month, but I did want to continue my subscription to see what it is that I got. Let's start with something that I'm not really happy to get. We have the Elemis Peptide 4-Eye Recovery Cream. This just might be the perfect under-eye moisturizer thanks to its creamy yet lightweight texture and namesake peptides. The hydrating formula sinks right in while the peptides, short chains of amino acids, go to work for a treatment that helps with dark circles, lines around the eyes, and puffiness. And this retails for $50. I believe Elemis is not cruelty free, so I can't really, or I don't want to use this. And if you're wondering why my makeup looks crazy, it's because I did use the Pokemon X Colourpop collection, and that video should be up before this one, so please go check it out because it was a journey to get here. But back to this, I think I'm gonna do a giveaway with this in today's video, so stay tuned to the end of this video for that. The next item in here is from Chris Appleton plus Color Wow. This is the Money Mask. This innovative hair mask was made in collaboration with hairstylist Chris Appleton, who is known for creating his super shiny signature glass hair for celebrities such as J-Lo, Kim Kardashian, and Ariana Grande. The mask was dreamt up to deliver some level of glossy shine at home, and it does not disappoint, says Stables, who tested the in-shower mask on her bleach blonde, heavy Hot Tool damaged hair. My hair was given a new life and felt like it was spun into silk, shiny, smooth, and voluminous. And this full size retails for $45. This is only a 50mm bottle. So this is like a little trial size. You only need about a golf ball size droplet. Okay, so I feel like I have like two uses, if that. If they want me to use that much of this, I will sniff it. I don't know if it has a smell. It smells like clean. It smells clean and fresh. I don't know. I have to wash my hair today. We'll have to try that out today. The next item is the Bloom Effects Tulip Tint Lip and Cheek Balm. Glowy as heck, this tint provides a wash of color that perks up complexions in a way that looks totally natural, like you've just taken a quick stroll on a beautiful day rather than spent the last few hours answering emails. This retails for $29, so this basically pays for the entirety of the box, which is nice. This kind of reminds me of the Glossier Cloud paints, but much more like sheared out. Like, if you're scared of cream and liquid anything, I feel like this is perfect for you. I feel like this looks so healthy on the cheeks. Like, you throw this on when you're not wearing any makeup. At least that's when I would use this personally. And it just gives you like a nice lived-in glow, but it looks pretty natural and it doesn't like emphasize your texture or anything. And does it last long? No, it does not last long. But I like that you can easily reapply this with your fingers, and you can use it on your lips as well, so it creates like this beautiful monochromatic look. It's a pretty color. I feel like the color is really nice and will match a lot of skin tones. The next item is the Mud Masky Midnight Hand Mask. This may be called a hand mask, and it certainly lives up to the hydrating promise, but that doesn't mean the formula is too heavy to wear during the day. In fact, it smells so good with a subtle scent that reminds us of a field full of lavender that you want to keep applying it after you wake up. This retails for $55. This is really nice, but I would never pay $55 for this in my life. This is like a hand cream. It says hand mask. It's a hand cream that like soaks up rather quickly and nicely. I appreciate it because it doesn't leave your hands like with this greasy feeling for a while. Like it goes away pretty fast, and like it smells really nice. It's not like overbearing. I really enjoy it. I feel like I can throw this on and do some editing. I can, you know, do some other things without my hands being so slippy. The next item is another item I'm excited to use in the shower. This is the Natura Ecos Tucuma Exfoliating Shower Gel. Just in time for warmer weather, this gentle exfoliating body wash makes legs and arms smooth and soft while you cleanse. An easy and rewarding way to multitask. And the full size retails for $18. I wonder if this has a scent. I cannot open this, but I don't think that's my fault. It's just because like it's just tight on here. Like, my tweezers won't even get in here. Like, come on. Like, why do you have to make things impossible to get into? Oh, that smells lovely. That literally smells like just clean. There is no other way to describe that. Very nice. Feels fancy. Smells fancy. Feels fancy. And the last item in here is a perfume from Wilhelm Perfumer Poets of Berlin. This perfume proves vanilla doesn't have to be so vanilla. The scent has all of the warmth and comfort of a vanilla fragrance for sure, but with a crisply sweet kick of lemon and blueberry. Orris and sandalwood keep the overall effect grounded, not pastry-like. The full size of this retails for $175. That's expensive. I'm excited to smell this though. I have not sprayed this on yet. And it's a pretty good like trial. So let's trial. I don't love that right now. I have to let it sit there. Give me a couple minutes.
2 hours later.
I don't know if this is for men or for women or for both. Poets of Berlin. Is this what poets smell like? It smells kind of masculine-y. Not in a bad way. It's just me personally, I like to smell the sweetness. Like, I know vanilla, it's so boring. I love it though. That's what I want to smell like. I like that this is made in France. It's not my favorite vanilla, but I'm glad I tried it. I don't smell vanilla at all in here. It's not sweet at all. Even though it has all of those sweet notes, when they say that the other notes keep it grounded, they were not kidding. All I smell is orris and sandalwood. That's basically all I smell here. I don't really smell much of anything else. I'm getting a little hint of vanilla and lemon, but like I really have to sniff, and I have a pretty good sense of smell. So take that as you will. Perfumes on me do tend to lean on a more sweeter side, even though the perfume itself isn't sweet. Usually on me, they tend to lean sweet anyway. So that's why I kind of wanted to try this on camera with you and see what I get. And it's okay. The more I leave it on, the better I'm enjoying this. Would I pay $175 for the full size? No. But it is nice that they threw in a fragrance in here. Usually subscriptions don't do that, and that is the second month that I've gotten one in Allure Beauty Box, so that's very exciting. And I like that it's not like a tiny little sample. It's a pretty nice sized sample, so I can try it out again and see what my thoughts are again. Obviously last month's Allure Beauty Box was a lot better. We got the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in there. It's kind of hard to like match that up together, but I'm excited to try these products. I like that it is more of like a self-care kind of box for Mother's Day. I feel like that is very fitting. You get like a hair mask, a scrub, a hand mask, a perfume, a blush. Like, it's perfect for Mother's Day. And if you're gifting this for Mother's Day, I feel like this is perfect because they can get to try a few things. They get to have a full size like Elemis product, which for me isn't exciting, but for other people really is. So let's get into the giveaway for this item. I will put up the rules on screen for you. Please read them through, and I will leave the link to the Google form in the description box. Please follow all of the rules. It is the only way I can do these giveaways for you. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Today's video, I am very... For celebrities, just holy shit. This perfume, please follow all of the rules and the Google form in the... Please follow all of the rules and the link